Today, I am going to show you the importance of hand wash with some easy science tricks. Washing with soap removes germs from hands. This helps prevent infections because people frequently touch their eyes, nose and mouth without even realizing it, that they are getting sick and spreading germs to others. Recently, hand washing is very important for coronavirus. So keep hand washing frequently and keep yourself healthy and others too. For this, we need water, black pepper, hand wash and 2 plates. We will spread some water. Now, we are going to spread some black pepper. You see, this is how the virus, that is the black pepper, come on our hands. In the hand wash. Now, I am going to put my fingers in this dirty virus water. Some germs are coming on my fingers. Let's wash it with the hand wash. See, the germs are going away from my fingers. So bye bye and take care.